Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can schedule the Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to schedule DND, we need to open the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down to notifications, there we go, and then choose Do Not Disturb. Over here we have the schedule, we have an example one, and of course we can create our own as well. So if you want to, you can press add schedule, then you can set up the name of the schedule, let's say bed, then you can select for which days you want to use it, and if the day is selected in a circle, then of course it means that this day is selected. Over here you can also see which days, in which days this schedule would work. So let's say for every day, and then you can also set the time. So let's say I want to start it at 12 AM, and then I want to end it at 10 AM. And then press done, save it, and there we go. We have our schedule for DND mode. So every day from 12 AM to 10 AM, the DND mode will be enabled. And of course, if you want to later on edit the same schedule, then you can tap on the schedule in order to make some changes. You can also delete it over here. And if you want to simply enable or disable the schedule, then you can tap on the slider on the right side. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.